Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Darren, aka The 6-Figure Dad. Welcome to my tip of the day. Okay, so wherever you are in the world, this gets released 7 a.m. UK time, but let's get into it. Okay, today's tip of the day, I just want to talk a little bit about stories. Stories on Instagram, on TikTok, okay? They are so powerful, so powerful. And here's why. It's because it's an opportunity for you to share who you are. It's an opportunity to let your audience into your world. Whether it's you having a cup of coffee, whether it's you going for a walk with the dog, whether it's you making dinner that day, it doesn't all need to be business related. This is an opportunity to share who you are as a human being. You're a real person, right? People buy from people they know, like, and trust. Now, if you're always being salesy and you're always pushing business, who are you? If you're not telling your story through your content, but also more importantly, or as importantly, is storytelling inside of stories. These can be anything from 5 to 15-second videos of quick posts. They can be photographs, anything to show your audience who you are. Okay, is so important. When I started doing that, it made a big difference to my business, because people then realized, oh, Darren's just a normal guy. He goes on dog walks. He goes out for meals with his wife. He's got another business to run. He's cooking dinner tonight. He's giving us a toast with a glass of wine, whatever it might be. Okay, this is your opportunity to let your audience into your world. Don't be so guarded, because, like I said, that know, like, and trust factor is a massive point that you need to get your head round, because it's almost like saying, right, okay, if that person who's selling a car to you, you've got someone who's just salesy, very salesy, and all about business, and all they care about is getting that sale. And then you've got somebody else who's talking to you, chatting away, telling you about his family, maybe even showing you some photographs of his kids. Who are you going to buy from? Think about it. Let people into your world. Be who you are through stories. So important. That's today's tip of the day, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow. Take care.